Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Nails in Orbit. Today we are going to be doing Kirby nails with our very own Kirby 3D charm using Trippy gel. Alright, so this is the hand we're using. I'm doing this left-handed, so bear with me. And we're using Lustrous Pink by Valentino Beauty Pure. You can't see it right now because I have a matte top coat, but it's like kind of like a pink glittery color, and I'm just going to add more glitter because of course. These gel elixir top coats are my absolute favorite like glitter top coat. I wouldn't use it as like a top coat. I always put top coat on top of it because it's not that shiny, but it just adds the perfect amount of glitter. This is number 3, which means it's like the smallest glitters, but I also have number 1, which is the biggest glitter. I don't have number 2, but I'm sure that one's amazing as well because I absolutely love it and I use it all the time, especially on my clear nails. Like if I just do clear Gel X nails, I almost always put that on there. It's my favorite. And here's the Trippy gel by Nails by Dev. I only have the white and the clear, and we're going to go ahead and use white today. And then I also got this tool from Nails by Dev as well, and I'm just going to use it to make Kirby. And you guys are going to see I've only done 3D with this one other time, so I was learning here today with you, and you'll see me struggling a little bit, but by the end I get the hang of it and I learned how to make it not stick, which is just use alcohol and it does not stick like this. But yeah, it's just super strong, and I had these on for a while. Like not no I didn't, I had them on for a few days, but it was strong on there. So once you use the alcohol, it's still strong, but it just doesn't stick to your gloves. So here I'm starting off with my Kirby charm, and I just have a circle. I mostly use my finger to pat it out and make it smooth, and that's what I'm doing here, and you guys will see. The Kirby is basically just 3 circles and then 2 little triangles for the arms. So you guys can just watch me do that, and I'll leave you alone. So here you can see I definitely got way too much, but it's super easy to get off. I just use my tool, yank it right on off, and then mold it back into space. I definitely do this another time because I get too much, because I feel like a little goes a long way with this stuff. I always think I'm grabbing too little and then it's just way too much. So I've got a lot to learn with my little 3D, but again, I'm just using my fingers to pat, pat, pat. I feel like the finger was the easiest, but I'm sure if I get used to the tool will be just as easy. But now we're gonna go with the arms, and again I feel like I have such a little amount and it's way too big and you'll see me take off some more again. All right, and see, we're already done molding Kirby, so not so bad. A perfect beginner 3D charm for anyone wanting to practice their 3D, because again, this was my second time doing 3D nail art. My first time it was little tiny mushrooms and it was on somebody else. It was not using my left hand. So now we're just gonna go in and paint. I'm just using D&D paint for this part, and my 15 or my 9, no, it's my 9mm brush by Nails by Dev. And of course, if you don't feel like doing all the painting, she has like colored Trippy gel. I just got the white and the clear because I felt like that was the most necessary, and then I can just paint whatever I need. Because you know, you got to prioritize when you're spending those big bucks, all right? Also, I wanted to note this stuff is so easy to get off. My friend and I did it, the mushrooms for her birthday set, and then I was taking them off. We were all prepared for her to be here for quite a long time. But no, it came off honestly faster than it takes like acrylic, or obviously acrylic, but even just like gel. It's so much easier. It was just so easy to get off. It was kind of satisfying to watch because you just like, and it's gone. But yes, this is not sponsored. I'm just letting you guys know. Now we're going in with the eyes, and every time I use my left hand, honestly, I just want to use as little detail as possible. So Kirby was perfect, just a little bit of eyes. Definitely outlining the eyes was a challenge with my left hand, but it was fine. We got through it. Alrighty, and that's Kirby just about done. And then I will show you guys, we're also going to do the star 3D. Oh, and here's my trick. So I just put alcohol on my thumbs, like on my glove using that tool, and then it's so much easier to roll the product. It doesn't stick to your glove at all. It still sticks, of course, great to your nail, but not to your glove too much. And then I just attempt to make this star. I really do not have great instructions on this star because I'm just messing with it the whole time, and then it suddenly pops to normal because I tried to fix it off camera because it was taking too long. So not really the best tutorial for the star. And this is where I jump off camera because it's perfect now. But it's alright. I do quite a few stars. I'm just showing you. I pop up star here, star there. We keep adding, and I added another one to the pinky. And now I'm just using the, I can't remember what it's called. I think it's called Banana Smoothie from the Pastels Liner Collection, again from Nails by Dev. And I'm just covering that whole star, and I do that to all the stars. And now I'm doing the classic twinkle star design for the rest of my nails. Just keeping it simple since we already have 3D charms all over the nails. And then I'm going to add some iridescent and we'll be just about done. Alrighty, here's the look before the iridescent, and it's still matte in the background. And we're gonna add this pink iridescent on top of all the pink. I definitely didn't prep the nails properly, so like the iridescent gets like a little bit outside of the stars, but it's kind of okay. It can just look like a little bit of a glow. But yes, I was not willing to fix that. So here you can see I'm just adding a top coat to all the nails, just the nail part right now, because at this point I hadn't really decided if I wanted Kirby to be matte or shiny. I do ultimately choose matte. For me, Kirby kind of gives, like, you know, if you want to go to Universal Studios and they had that like Simpson, like Bart Simpson cup, like that silicone material, that's kind of honestly what I imagine Kirby's texture to be. We're using the Gel Elixir Matte Top Coat today. I cannot recommend this one though because it does smear the black. I think I did have a top coat on him. That's why the black isn't smearing. But I did something recently and the black just smeared everywhere. So I can't recommend this matte top coat unless you put a clear coat and then you put the matte top coat on. So there we are. I made the stars matte, and then I'm so sorry, you guys, to be honest, this was not my favorite set. So I forgot to film a reveal video. I just forgot. So we have a picture. I'm sorry. I literally took them off like days after, so sorry about that. But I hope you guys loved making our 3D Kirby and our 3D stars, and let me know if you want to see any more 3D art. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.